Today at Garfin's Creation, we'll be making this delicious mango Makhana Kheer recipe. It's very delicious and easy to make too. Once you try it, you'll be making it every time. The recipe is mentioned in the description box below. To start with, here I've taken just one mango and we'll need to make a puree of it, so I've cut it into smaller pieces. We'll be making puree of this later. Also, in a pan, just add 1 cup of makhanas and we need to dry roast this. Just keep moving this for about a minute or so and they get dry roasted soon. By just pressing, you'll know that it is done. Once done, you let it cool down completely and then put it into a mixer jar. In another jar, I'll also be making the puree of the mango pieces. So I'll just get that done and get it back. When you blend the makhanas, make sure that do not make it into a fine powder. There'll be little thicker pieces also left behind. The mango puree, you can make it very fine too. I will keep this aside for some time. Next, into a pan, just heat a little ghee, just say a teaspoon, and we'll just fry these nuts. Take in almond, cashews and kismish. Just fry them till they are a little golden brown and then take it out and keep it aside. You can also add pista into this kheer. Now into the same pan, I'll be just adding half a liter of milk. This milk was already boiled before and it was cool now, so I'll just add it to the pan. Along with that, I'll be adding sugar. I've added 4 tablespoons of sugar for half a liter of milk. You can definitely make it less if your mango is really very too sweet. So now we'll keep stirring this till it gets a boil and the sugar is completely melted. Once this is done, we'll be adding the ground makhanas. You can check out the texture of the makhanas here. There is some powder and some little thick pieces too. Before adding the makhanas, just reduce the flame and then add the makhanas and stir it well. Make sure there are no lumps and the makhanas are well dissolved into the milk. The little thicker pieces of makhanas are going to give a good texture to this kheer. Next into this, I'll be adding the Elaichi, that is cardamon powder, and a little bit of saffron, Kesar. Adding Kesar is completely optional and that can be skipped too. And now we'll keep stirring this continuously and just cook the makhanas for about 2 to 3 minutes. As you keep stirring this, you will notice the milk keeps thickening a little bit. Then after 3 minutes of continuous stirring, into this we'll be adding the fried nuts. Here this is 2 tablespoons of each kismish, cashews and almonds which were chopped and then fried. After adding that, we'll just mix this now. And then just stirring it for a few seconds. You can have this kheer just like that as it is. If you want it a little thinner, to make it even more richer and a little more thicker, I'll just be adding a little bit of cashew nut powder. You can add about 1 teaspoon of cashew nut powder and give this a nice mix. Just mixing this for about a minute, our basic kheer will be ready. You can serve this hot or let it cool down completely. Since we're making the mango makhana kheer, after this is cooked, we need to let this cool down completely. After cooling down, then only we need to add the mango puree. So now this makhana kheer is completely cooled down at room temperature. It's got the little color of the kesar too. Now just add in the mango puree and give this a nice mix. You can definitely make this kheer without the mango too. After mixing it well, this mango makhana kheer is ready to be served. I'll just empty this into a serving bowl and garnish it with some mango pieces and some nuts too. This is so rich and delicious. You need to try this recipe before the mangoes go out of season. This can be had right away or you can also chill it in the fridge to serve it cold. Here, after topping it up with some more mango pieces and some almonds and pistachios. And here it is. A mango makhana kheer is ready to be served. This is my favorite and if you try it, it's going to be yours too. Creamy, rich and delicious. Thanks for watching and do try this recipe and leave your comments below too. Don't forget to subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such lovely recipes. I'll see you soon in the next recipe too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.